Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a frame, a round mirror frame. As you have seen, I have a frame. I have this board here that I've already cut into a round shape. I have those strips, I have this lipping tape, contact glue and staple guns. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome to our channel All Things With Us, and thank you for joining us. We really do appreciate you. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us by coming and watching again our videos, liking them and commenting on them. So now here, as I said earlier, I'm going to show you how to make a frame. I'm starting by applying wood glue on the frame, and then after that I'm going to attach these strips that I have here that I've already did cut into sizes. And also I'm going to be using a staple gun to staple them, that is to hold them there so that the wood glue will dry and stick there permanently. And it really works. It's something that I've already tried and it came out very perfectly. Now after this I'm going to be using a lipping tape that I have that is gold in color, that is going to bring out a neat, let me say, a neat final results. After that I'm going to give it a small sanding, that is the frame. Before putting the lipping tape, I'm going to give it a small sand, and then I'm going to be using a contact glue. You can use any glue that you have around you to attach the lipping tape on it. And I had two frames, that is the bigger one and a smaller one, because I had two different clients that wanted the same design of the mirror but in different sizes. And then for this one I'm going to be using this gold spray paint, that is to spray the inner side of the frame, because I was not going to use the lipping tape in the inside part. So that is for it to blend very well with the outer part that I'm going to be using the lipping tape. Yeah, I think that is basically what I'm saying. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to like our videos, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay.
After that long hustle, now I'm going to be putting the mirror inside the frame. And before putting it, I'm going to be applying a generous amount of contact glue on this frame so that the mirror will stay and stick there permanently. And then also I'm going to be using hot glue, that is to hold the mirror so that the contact glue will take its time to dry, because the hot glue dries very fast and it will hold the mirror for me. So that is basically what I did, but there are a lot of glues that you can use for this step. For me, I had to use this one that I already had in my shop.
Through all the pain,
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
The final step here is for me to attach the hanger at the back of this mirror. So now I'm just drilling 2 holes that I'm going to be screwing down the hanger. Also for this step I did use some hot glue because I wanted the hanger to be stronger, so that when I go to put it on the wall it won't fall down or shake or anything. So I wanted it to be much stronger and permanent. As I said earlier, I'm going to be doing the same thing to this bigger mirror what I did to the smaller one. So it's the same process, but I'm going to be showing you both the results. Also, I did make these console tables, 2 of them, one for one client and the other for the other client. For the first client, this is the setup. I didn't set up very much here. I just delivered it. And for the final client, I did make the final reveal for you guys so that you can see how the setup was. So now here I'm just drilling a hole that I'm going to be using to hold or hang the mirror.
Told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
So now here I'm just setting up the place so that I can give you a final reveal so that you can see the combination of the mirror, also the console table, and you tell me in the comment section what or you can rate me how I did in this setup or these DIYs today. So make sure to like this video, comment on it, share and subscribe to our channel, All Things With Us. Thank you.